What is the strong side and weak side of an offense? So, from a defensive perspective, split the field in half. The defense has to declare one side, either the right or the left side, the strong side, because typically defenses have strong side personnel and weak side personnel, like a strong safety and a weak safety, or a Sam or a Will, or a nickel and a Will. So essentially, right, the defense has to declare one side strong or one side weak. If an offense has a tight end who is attached to the line of scrimmage, meaning he is on the line of scrimmage next to the tackle, right? So in this case, the tight end is here, the tackle is right here. Also, right, we have more people on the offense on this side of the field. So the defense would declare this side being the strong side. So to them, right, it would be the left side of the field. So now you can see their personnel is basically lined up to that, right? We have a nickel linebacker who always plays to the strong side of the field, who is on the left side of the field, right? We have the weak safety. This changes depending on the formation that the offense gives them, right? Typically, the offense's strong side of the field is to the field, right? See how the ball is on this left hash here. Typically, the strong side always is to the field. This is just a general rule, right? There are times where the strong side of the field can be to the boundary, but a general rule is that the strong side is to the field. So now let's look at another formation here. Now we have a pretty even set, right? Because we have two wide receivers out wide, two wide receivers out wide, right? The running back is to the right side. Look where the ball is. The ball is on the left hash, right? So we have the field to this side. So the tight end is actually on the left side of the field, but he is not attached. He is detached, meaning he is not on the line of scrimmage next to the tackle. So how do we know what the strong side of the field is? Right, the defense, as I said earlier, will usually align their defense, the strong side, to the field. So, right, we have even personnel with two guys out wide on each side. The defense aligned it to the left side, right? We can see the nickel is to this side, which means that they declared the left side to be the strong side of the field, right? So, and again, this is the weak safety. It was kind of the same. They're giving the same kind of look that they gave in the last play. Wide receivers need to understand the strong and weak side of a defense because it can help us diagnose what coverage the defense is showing, right? Because if we know that this is the nickel, right, then we know that this is the weak safety, right? If the weak safety drops to the weak curl flat and this guy goes deep and they're playing cover three, we know that's cover three weak, right? And what can that do? That can help us play faster because then we know that this nickel has the strong curl flat. We know that this guy has the deep third. We know that this Mike linebacker has the strong hook curl. We know that this guy has the weak hook curl. And again, we know that he has the weak curl flat. So it just helps us understand where each player is going to be on the field. And we need to understand this as receivers to play fast and to outsmart the defense.